Here I have TECNO Pop 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enter factory mode on this device. So to do this, first let's turn our device off by holding down power key and swipe power off. And after device turns off completely, you will have to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up for a couple of seconds. So let's get it. And after the screen turns on and you can see TECNO logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. And after that you will end up in the factory mode. So unfortunately everything is in Chinese here, but with help of modern day technology I can kinda like translate it to you. So as you can see, these options say something like PCBA automatic test. So what else you should know is that with volume down you can navigate, and with volume up you can select. And you have such options as PCBA automatic test, machine automatic test. Wait, I have to take it kinda like this. PCBA single test of whole machine, suggested test items, phone info, PCBA test results, machine test results, random test results, and restart. So yeah, these are your options. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the last option, restart, with volume up, and then device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.